Welcome. This is an everyday yoga full body stretch. As always, feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin laying, hugging the knees towards the chest. Give yourself a big squeeze. Then we'll plant the feet on the mat, gently rocking the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the sacrum, the lower back. We'll come back to center, taking the left ankle to the top of the right thigh. You can stay right here, or you can go ahead and interlace your fingers behind the right thigh, hugging the legs in towards the chest, making sure to flex both feet. And we'll gently release, switching sides, staying wherever you feel most comfortable. Perfect. Go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch, or open the feet for happy baby pose. We'll gently release, grabbing the backs of the thighs. Lift yourself all the way up into a comfortable seat. We'll gently circle the head, so just feeling out all the clicks and ticks within the neck. Coming back to center, sitting up nice and tall, take the left hand in line with the left shoulder and gently begin to lift the fingertips up towards the sky as if you're pressing the palm of the hand into a wall. And then we'll draw the fingertips down towards the mat so that it's almost like you're pressing the top of the hand into a wall. And you can actually do this this stretch against a wall if you'd like a deeper stretch. And we'll gently release, switching sides. Taking the right hand straight out and just lifting up the fingertips, pressing into the hand. Drawing the fingertips down towards the mat. And we'll gently release, shake it out. We'll go ahead and take a gentle side stretch, left hand to the left side. Right hand reaches up and over on an inhale. Feel free to come down to the left elbow if the space is available today. And you can stay reaching through the fingertips or take it a little deeper by bending that right elbow and just kind of supporting the back of your head with the right hand. Lifting that right elbow up towards the sky. And we'll gently release. Switching sides, right hand to the side of you, just right on the mat. Inhaling, that left hand reaches up and over. Option to come down to the right elbow. Now here you can stay right here, reaching through the left fingertips, or you can bend at the left elbow, just supporting the back of your head with the left hand. And we'll gently release. Shake it out, take a moment here. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards the left. Inhale the hands back up. Exhale, twisting towards the right. And we'll gently release. Coming into a tabletop pose. Tucking the toes and sending the hips towards the heels. And you can gently kind of rock side to side here. Or begin to melt the forehead down towards the mat. Again, just reaching through those fingertips, reaching towards the top of the mat. Untuck the toes. We'll go ahead and round through the spine all the way down to our bellies, resting on the forearms. Inhale as you lift through the sternum, tucking that tailbone. Option here to stay still or find a bit of movement, gazing over one shoulder and then over the other. We'll plant the hands on the mat and just press ourselves all the way up into a tabletop pose. Inhale as you drop the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale as you round through the spine, take your gaze down. Perfect. Finding a neutral spine, we'll come to our seat, straightening out the legs, flexing the feet up towards the sky, removing the flesh from your seat. Now you can stay right here or keep a generous bend in the knees. And if this is still a bit too intense, you can take the feet wider, so almost like a wide forward fold here. And wherever you are, we're going to go ahead and begin to hinge forward, leading with the chest taking your fold, folding as far forward as you comfortably can. You can grab the toes or just resting the hands on the shins or thighs. And we'll gently release, coming all the way down to our backs. Elbows in line with the shoulders, back stays flat on the mat as you drop both knees over towards the left. Option here to place pillows between the knees and underneath the left knee for added height and support. For less of a twist, you can place a pillow underneath the right shoulder. Utilizing your inhales to really create that space. Exhaling to completely let go, sighing out any tension within the upper body, the lower body. We'll inhale, lifting the knees. Exhale, take them over towards the right. Again, option to modify. We'll gently release, hugging the knees in towards the chest, big squeeze. And then we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat, take the feet wide, and then we'll reach the hands up overhead. As you exhale, go ahead and soften the entire body. Feel free to have the hands to your sides, palms facing up if that feels best today. Taking this one moment out of our day, out of our practice to just be, to be here with the body in its fully relaxed and present state. Taking this time to really soak in all the work you did. Know that you are worthy of this time. And this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. We'll roll over towards our right. Full inhale. And exhale. We'll gently come up to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.